Welcome back, motorcycle lovers. This time, we're talking about some hot news coming from Triumph. Rumor has it they're preparing a big surprise, and this isn't just a new paint color. This is a bike that retro fans have been asking for a long time. A machine that draws its inspiration straight from Triumph's golden age of racing. But to really understand what's coming, we need to look back. Because the name Trident isn't just a sticker Triumph slapped onto a motorcycle. This name is legendary. Back in the 1970s, the original Triumph Trident was a high-performance monster. Its wild three-cylinder engine tore up racetracks all over the world. And the peak, the most iconic moment, came in 1971 at the 500 kilometers of Monza. The Bepi Koelliker team, Triumph's official importer in Italy, entered a truly insane Trident 750. Ridden by Bepi and Koelliker, and prepared by technical mastermind Domenico Pedinari, this bike didn't just compete, it dominated. Elegant without compromise, with brutally raw performance. From that moment on, it became an icon. So what happens when that racing DNA is injected straight into the 21st century? Ladies and gentlemen, this is what we believe is coming. This is the new Triumph Trident 660 BK 2026. This isn't just a tribute, it's a full revival. First, just look at the ergonomics. The standard, upright handlebars are gone. This bike uses low, aggressive clip-on handlebars. This is a pure cafe racer, built for a perfect, race-focused riding position. Then, the wheels. The modern cast wheels are replaced with period-correct spoked rims. This completely transforms the bike's stance. It looks raw, mechanical, and, let's be honest, absolutely spot on. But my favorite part? That incredible white custom 3-in-1 exhaust. It feels like it was taken straight out of a 1970s paddock. You can be sure the sound will be absolutely epic. And finally, the livery. This is a knockout. The classic blue and purple colors of the Koelliker team. And right there, displayed proudly, the iconic number 11. This is how you do a modern classic motorcycle. Powerful nostalgia, rich with history, but built on the proven Trident 660 platform. Agile, fun, and insanely exciting to ride. Even though this is still a concept by Oberdan Betsy, Triumph Trident 660 fans are already extremely enthusiastic and hopeful that Triumph will truly put this bike into production. Stay tuned for further updates, and thank you for watching.